Dear students, today we will see Karnaugh map. Even it is called as K-map. What K-map is? A graphical display of fundamental products in a truth table. Graphical display of fundamental product in a truth table is called K-map. Okay, graphical display of fundamental product. Graphical display means in K-map everything we will represent using rectangle boxes. So it is called as graphics. Graphics means computer images. We will call it as a graphics. That means the images are nothing but graphics, and everything we will represent by using rectangle. So it is called as graphical display of fundamental product. Fundamental product means if you are taking two variables A and B, it may be A into B. If you are taking A bar and B bar, it may be A bar into B bar. Those things we will call it as a fundamental product. In the beginning, K-map was developed by E.W. Which, V-E-I-T-C-H, E.W. Which in 1952. And in the beginning, it was named as Which diagram. It started with Which diagram, but at that time, the representation was using binary digits in the Which diagram. In 1953, Maurice Karnaugh, M-A-U-R-I-C, Maurice Karnaugh proposed Karnaugh map, that is also known as K-map, and in that he used variable and the result as variable combination. Okay, that is the difference between Which diagram and K-map, and commonly we will use K diagram nowadays or K-map. How we can construct the K-map? The K-map is a pictorial representation of a truth table made up of squares. Here you can see. Pictorial representation. Pictorial means pictures. Okay. Pictorial representation of a truth table made up of many number of squares. Each square represents min term or max term. Each square represents min term or max term. And K-map for n variable is made up of 2 raised to n squares. If there are two variables, then it may be 2 raised to 2. Then there will be 4 squares. Now here you can see A and B, two variables are here. Then there will be 4 rectangles to represent this K-map. K-map of A and B. Okay. Single variable K-map. Single variable K-map. That means only A. If you are taking, then we will say it will be in the form F of A. F of A. Okay. And it will take only two min terms, A and A bar. That means it may be like this way. A and A bar. A and A bar. Okay. Maybe 1, 0. In this way we will represent when we are using single variable K-map. Okay, here you can see single variable K-map. A and A bar. A bar A, that is 0 and 1 min term, and this is labeling method. Which diagram method? K-map method. 0, 1, 0, 1. And in the decimal it may be M0, M1. M0, min term 0, min term 1. Decimal 0, decimal 1. In one variable K-map, one square represents one min term and two adjacent square represents a function which is always true. That is f of a is equal to 1. F of a, since a will be 1, f of a is equal to 1. In two variable K-map, then it will be 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. If you are taking f of a comma b, a and b, then there may be 4 combination: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. We can see here how it is represented using K-map. A bar a, that is 0 1. Here b bar b, that is again 0 and 1. So a bar b bar 0 0. A bar b bar 0 0. A bar b, that is 0 1. A b bar, that is 1 0. A b, that is 1 1. In this way we are representing. You can see in the basic labeling system: 0 1 0 0, 0 1 1 0 1 1. Then the 3 variable K-map. Then 3 variable means it is 2 raised to n, that is 2 raised to 3, that is equal to 8. Then there will be 8 rectangles. Okay, 8 rectangles in 3 variable K-map. And the values are maybe a bar, b bar, c bar, there is nothing but 0 0 0, 0 0 1, then 0 1 0. In this way it will continue. Okay. Here you can see A on one side, BC on another side. Okay. A means there will be only 2 parts for this A bar and A. BC means B bar, C bar, B bar, C, BC and BC bar. But here you can see the difference, one difference. After BC we have taken BC bar. That is nothing but 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. And this concept we will call it as a gray code concept. Okay, the gray code means in the Boolean algebra, if the successive values are changed or exchanged, then that concept is called as gray code. Okay. Generally, when we are taking 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, that is called as normal mode of Boolean algebra. But if you take 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, that means we have shifted 1 1 from here to here, 1 0 from here to here, then that is called a gray code concept. And in the gray code, commonly any one values are changed, but it is not applicable for one variable or two variable. Only when it starts from the 3 variable concept. In 3 variable, the gray code concept comes, and 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So the min-term values are changing. You can see 0 0 0, that is M0, 0 0 1, that is M1, 0 1 1, that is M3, and 0 1 0 is M2. That means you can see here 2 goes at the end, 3 comes in the beginning. M3, M2. Same way M4, M5, M7, M6. 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 1, 1 1 0. Okay, here in the notes you can see the ordering of variable, that is 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0 is in gray. So it is called as gray code. Even it is called as reflected binary code. One should not use straight binary code or normal binary code. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The straight binary code was used in Witch diagram, but Karnaugh modified the Witch diagram and he used the reflected binary code. Okay, and remember one more thing, K-map is commonly asked in exam for the 5 marks, and always there will be a one question on K-map for the 5 marks. Then the 4 variable K-map. The four variable Boolean expressions are of the form f of a, b, c, d. You can see f in brackets a, b, c, d. That is four variable. And if you take, there are four variable means it may be 2 raised to 4, that is equal to 16 min terms. Yeah. Map consists of 8 square, that is 2 raised to n, that is 2 raised to 4, that is equal to 16 squares. Okay. Totally 16 squares. Okay, not the 8. There are 16 squares. The row and column are numbered in a reflected code system, that is gray code system. You can see here C bar, D bar, C bar, D, then the CD first, then CD bar. Here you can see in the basic labeling system 00, 01, 11, 10. And even this side 00, 01, 11, 10. So the answers are changing. You can see here in this system. First we will take this one as 0, that is M0. Okay, I am showing it in decimal system. 0, 1. Now this is 2, this is 3. Then 4, 5, now this is 6, then 7, 5, 6, 7, then 8 is here, you can see here, 8, 1000 is 8, correct? So 8 is here, 9, then this is 10, this is 11, and then 1100 is 12, 13, 14 and then 15. Okay, you have to remember in the 4 variable method how we will follow the numbering. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But we have not given this decimal numbers. Automatically it will come if you use this type of reflected code system or gray code system. 0000 is 0000, correct? 0001, 00 into 01, 00 into 11, 0011, 0010, 0010. So 01, when it is multiplied with 00, again 0100, 0101, 0101, 0111, 0110. Then 1100, 1100, 1101, 1111, 1110. Okay. Then 1000, 1001, 1011, 1010. So automatically the numbers are shifted. So you can see 0, 1, 2, 3 it is 4, 5, 6, 7. But the 8 comes here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Fine. We will follow this type of method in the K-map. That you have to remember. Okay. Even in this system. So 0, 0 is A bar, B bar. And if it is in normal 1 means there will not be bar. And the same thing you can represent in the K-map system. So this is the simple concept and we have just started it off, and in the next class I will show how to take the K-map and how to solve the examples. Thank you. God bless you.